On May 11, Goodyear spiked up all the way up to about $15, 29% increase. And so, will this continue to go up? Goodyear, GT is the ticker symbol. Goodyear Tire and Rubber is the company name. And so in this video, we are going to analyze the unusual options activity we detected today, May 23. It is now 12:38 p.m. And these unusual options activity are telling us something. And so without further ado, let's get right to them. As you can see, this was done at the 10:24 a.m. and also 11:07. You see the 6,500 contracts and this 3,300 contracts, all for the same expiration cycle on October 20 for the 17 strike calls. You also see here's a couple of other ones, but all about the same date for the October 20s. So when we look at the October 20s, keep in mind this is 150 days away, so it's not a short-term trade. You'll see here the volume here is currently at 11,900. The open interest is 7,310. We believe these 17 strike calls are opening orders, and we believe this is bullish because what they're doing is they are buying this strike at the 17 price. So by October 20, at expiration, it should be higher than 17.6, which is the break even here. So you'll see here the blue line is the expiration date line, and then the purple line is the current date, which is reflected on this date. We'll have to move this one date over since it's May 23. And so this is the current trade. Goodyear GT is at $13.92. And so as it goes up in price here, this will rise in profits. However, there is a theta decay pushing the value of these options down. So keep that in mind too. When you look at the Greeks, there's a negative theta decay. So in these 150 days, this option will decay in value. So it has to break. This break even, which is currently for today, will slowly move all the way up here because of the theta decay. And so you'll have to keep that as part of your analysis on your trade to determine where your break even is, because this will continue to move every day slightly, eventually ending up here where the price has to break this in order to be profitable. So anything above that is profitable. Anything below this zero line is a loss. This is the profit loss on the y-axis. So the catalyst for this initial jump from here to here, was that there was an investment company called, you'll see here back over here, a large institutional investor named Elliott sent a proposal to Goodyear on how to run the business that would generate a higher share price to about $21 per share. And so this caused the share price to go up. And there was a lot of buying involved after this Elliott Investment Management Company sent recommendations on how to achieve a $21 share price. And so we'll see what happens. Goodyear, as you can see, has been trading in this range. And then after that proposal came from one of their main investors, this jumped. And so could we have another jump by October up to this $17 range here? We do have some time. However, we think if it is going to jump, it will be jumping sooner rather than later because of that theta decay that you see coming up. So October is all the way over here. This is when the options expire. So we are looking forward to this coming up to that breaking that $17 range and going higher than that. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and you will be notified whenever we see unusual option activity. Thank you, and take care.